In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily and safely get the connectors of the DJI microphone receiver without breaking the receiver or the connectors. The DJI mic set is absolutely great, but there is one thing that drives me mad about it, and it is getting the connectors out of the microphone. But to get it out, it's really difficult, and this is really quite flimsy, and you do worry that you're going to break it. But I found a way to get it out. All you have to do is slowly rock it from side to side like this. As you pull, rock from side to side, and it does start to loosen up. Just rocking it from side to side starts to loosen it up, and then when you get to this bit where you see a gap, you can just pull it straight out. Like so. So now we've got this bit out. Now this bit is very, very flimsy, and I do worry I'm going to break it, but with my method you're less likely to break this. So let's put this back in the case, and let's put another connector on. So let's put this connector on. This is the USB-C connector, and when we add this we need to make sure that the arrow here and the arrow here lines up, and it's the same when we're using the lightning connector. And I put my fingers here, and I use both thumbs, and I push it in. And then if I want to take it out again, I do the reverse. I put two fingers on this side, and I use both thumbs, but I don't push here, I push here, and that's just enough to get it out. Another thing you can do is you can take the other connector, and you can use this to push the other connector out. So you can use the back to push the connector out, which sometimes results in that happening. So I always recommend just doing this method. It's by far the better method.